Hello everyone, this is my second tutorial on Scala. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Scala on Windows operating system. So to do that, you need to download Scala. As I've told you that the current version of Scala is 2.1 2.3. Uh, but I would like to suggest you to download its previous version because sometimes you get the latest version is not stable, so you need to download the previous version which is stable one. So I like to download the previous version, that is Scala 2.1 2.2. So download Scala 2.1 2.2 and here we go. So you can run a Scala program in different ways, like you can download the Scala application, you can download the IntelliJ or uh, download SBT. I'll show you how to integrate Scala with the IDE like Eclipse or IntelliJ. uh, but I would like to suggest you to download Scala binary files so that you can write Scala program in a local machine with the local editor. For running Scala application, you need to have JVM version 1.8. For this particular Scala version, you need Java 8. So I've told you that Java needs Scala needs JVM to compile and run its program. So we need JVM. So to get JVM, we need to install this JDK. So for the particular version, we need JDK 1.8. Now download. I'd like to download this MSI installer. It's of 126.44 MB. It's okay, no problem. Oh, we need to wait for 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Okay. So uh, before running Scala, you need to have two things. You need to have Java installed on your system and the path for the Java. And also you need some local editor like Notepad++ or a simple Notepad will be fine also. But if you are using Notepad++ or Edit Plus, it will be more easier to write programs. Okay. And later on I'll show you how to integrate a particular Scala with your existing Eclipse ID. Also we can use Scala ID which is provided Scala itself, but it is also the Eclipse ID which is specially customized for Scala program. Okay. And one thing, you can integrate the plugin which is available in Eclipse marketplace, so that they can write and run Scala project, and you can run Scala applications. So we have downloaded the Scala application. Now we can install Scala. Yes, the location is fine. It's very simple to install Scala on a system. It's just like you're installing some software. That's all, nothing else. And the only thing we need is to configure Scala. If you are a Java programmer, then it is very familiar with this Java installation. But if you are not a Java developer, then you might have some problem in the initially. So that after watching this video, you'll be very familiar with setting class path and using the Scala application. Okay, now it's done. So the next thing is, now I need to set the class path for Scala. Uh, you can check this by here. Suppose I'm writing and trying to get Scala version. Now you can see Scala is not recognized as an internal or external command. So to work with Scala, we need to set the class path. Oh, here is our Scala application stuff. Okay, here. So we need to set the class path of Scala to this bin location. Okay, now right click on this PC, properties, advanced system settings, now environment variables, path. Yes, you can see it is automatically added. I am not added this, but if you want, then you can just copy the path from that location where from where I have copied, like until this location, and you can paste it here. Okay, so we are fine with the class path. Now you can make a new system variable, that is scala home, and you can do this until scala. Yes. Mm, okay, it will work fine. So now you can see scala version. Yes, yes, you can see scala corona version 2.1 Okay, so now scala is used as a command in command prompt. So in the next tutorial I'll show how to write a sample scala program. Okay, and I think by watching this video you can uh, configure scala on your system, and thanks for watching.